This is my brother, Colton. He was mostly in the Grinch video. He was the baby Grinch in the Grinch. He doesn't walk that much, too. So tell me, Colton, do you like fire?
No.
Why?
It kills people.
Yes, it does. Why do you like... do you like water?
Yes.
Why?
Because I get to swim.
What if a shark eats you? Oh, okay. So, what's your favorite?
Huh?
Who's videotaping? Who's videotaping you?
My mom.
What? Say your Christmas name. The Grinch. Good job. That's all.
Who's really videotaping you?
Who's really videotaping you?
A piece of wood named Andy.
A piece of wood.
What?
Thank you.
Okay. So everything is green mostly, right?
Yeah.
Are you colorblind? What color is
Our raging fire.
Everyone, look at the raging fire. Oh, whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, it's so huge.
Oh, it kills people. Okay. Okay.
All right, wrap it up.
You like Mountain Dew?
Yes, I love Mountain Dew.
Right.
It gives me a tingle.
Okay, go drink it. See what happens.
Okay.
Good. We're almost done with our show, people. You okay?
That must be the tingly feeling.
Okay, Colton. How many girlfriends do you got? Okay. And that's me and Colton, people.